here. Help your mother.
Hoy! Next time, get a four door.
Darling.
Help!
The two-door hurts my back. The two-door hurts my back.
We should have taken the other
Please,
car.
please! Sorry, Lola.
Let's close the door again.
Ang lamig. Ay!
It's cold in here. Ano to? Winter? December time?
Bakit the
Ah, Wonder, did you lock the door?
Lock. Huh?
Huh? Lock the door.
This is the alarm. It locks the door.
Check. Just go check.
But I locked the door already.
Check the door.
What? Ikaw din, ha?
Uy,
See?
uy.
Locked.
Darling, oh.
Oy! Rodney! He's Filipino too!
Look at the Filipino flag.
Oh, God.
Filipino flag.
Is he your friend?
Is he, where do
Is he
you
your
think he's
classmate?
from?
Classmate?
Tayo. Late na tayo, darling. Oh, late na tayo. Nice, guys.
Very Filipino.
Please, Lolo.
Hey, Lola, I like your shirt.
Are you happy? So rude. So very, very rude.
Father,
Like his father. Oo, like his father.
come on, guys, please! Late already!
Hurry up, still. Go fast. Let's go.
Student Activity Center?
Sack. I got that. Uy, is it finished yet? We don't? What do you think? We don't know.
I don't know yet.
Please find out.
Hey!
Hoy!
What? You? Is it finished yet? Is it finished?
Yet. Tapos na ba?
Two?
Two?
Act 2. Oh. Never mind. Let's go get seats. Salamat, ha?
Salamat, thank you pa rin.
Ang laki mo pa.
Bastos, ang laki.